In this video, we'll be diving into how to connect Zapier for Instamojo and LearnWorlds, streamlining your workflow between these platforms. If you're looking to automate tasks between your e-commerce setup and your online course platform, stick around, because we'll also cover some alternatives you might find more suited to your needs by the end. First, let's talk about Instamojo and LearnWorlds. These are both powerful platforms, Instamojo for e-commerce and LearnWorlds for creating and selling online courses. Connecting the two via Zapier allows you to automate actions like creating new contacts, syncing orders, or even sending follow-up emails based on activity. But the process isn't always as straightforward as it seems. So let's break this down step by step. The first thing you need is a Zapier account. If you don't have one, it's time to sign up. Zapier is the tool that connects all your favorite apps, including Instamojo and LearnWorlds. Once you log in, you'll want to head to the Create Zap section to start building your automation. Next, you need to choose your trigger app. If you're looking to connect Instamojo, start by selecting it as the trigger app. This could be something like a new payment or a new order. The trigger will be the event that kicks off the automation. It's simple, just choose the event you want to automate and connect your Instamojo account to Zapier using your API key. This will allow Zapier to interact with your Instamojo account. Next thing, we'll move on to choosing the action app. This is where you connect LearnWorlds. You'll select LearnWorlds as the action app and then specify what action should occur in response to the trigger. For example, you could have Zapier create a new user in LearnWorlds whenever an order is placed on Instamojo. It's that simple, and within a few steps, you'll be able to sync everything automatically. But make sure your fields match up correctly, like email addresses or names, to ensure seamless syncing. The fourth thing you'll want to keep in mind is that sometimes these integrations aren't perfect. You might face a few limitations, like only being able to automate basic tasks, or the app's not syncing in real time. Some users have reported issues with slow updates between the two platforms, which is why you may want to double-check the connection after setting it up. While Zapier is great for connecting apps, it does have some constraints when it comes to syncing complex data between systems. And now, here's the catch. While this setup works well for basic tasks, both Instamojo and LearnWorlds have their limitations when compared to more robust alternatives. For example, both platforms can be difficult to integrate with other tools or might require third-party workarounds that cost extra or take up more time than they're worth. Now, let me share an alternative that might work even better for your needs. This tool offers a more intuitive interface, better automation capabilities, and can connect more tools right out of the box, making your life a lot easier. It even offers an extended free trial that you can only get through our link. Not only does it have Zapier-like integrations, but it works better in handling more complex workflows and can save you time by automating more tasks faster. By using our exclusive link, you'll get the best free trial and access to additional benefits that no one else can get. So, while Instamojo and LearnWorlds do the job in their own right, if you're looking for something more reliable and faster with fewer workarounds, check out the alternatives linked below. It might just be the game changer you need to streamline your processes. Thanks for watching. Make sure to grab that extended free trial and take a look at the alternatives.